Hi, today we've got a new guest here. It's a birdie. Hi. And first, okay, what do you want to eat? Banana. Well, there are no bananas in Tokablocks. But we know there's bananas, but there's none in Tokablocks. There's some in other neighborhoods. What do you want to eat? Shoe. A shoe. Can I eat a shoe? No. What do you want to eat? What do I eat? A fan. Tokablocks does have fans, but you can't eat one. What do we have? We have apples and apple. Apple. Good. That's no apple. 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 So it's what again? Yeah, it's yes. Easy as it takes. What is that? It's a new one. So what in the world? What's in the world? Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. Look at that bird. What bird? That one? That's one eye. It's saying ah. Ah. Why does the birdie have one eye? Ah. Okay. Well, this. Oh yeah, my office. We've gotta wait. We need the birdie to have 2 eyes. But it doesn't say. Does it have 2 eyes yet? Yep, it does have 2 eyes. Now what do you want to eat? Watermelon. Watermelon? There's no watermelon in Tokablocks. Choose something else. Peach. Go get one from Toka Kitchen too. Sandwich. Sago Mini has sandwiches. You can go to Sago Mini there. Where? Sandwich. Well, we're going to get a sandwich from Sago Mini. Oh, yeah, I'm so exciting. We came back. Look, Rosie gave us a sandwich. See? A sandwich. Eat the sandwich. What's that? Oh, yeah, feet. We're in a bird. One eye. How's a bird have one eye? Oh well, it's just bye. Bye. See you later. What is that? Come on. Bye. Okay.